All right. Let's see here. Heck yeah. Just gonna start building. What? Hold on. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. Right. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, skip 2, 1, 2. I'm building Mario. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm putting in the level right now. 8. So hopefully it doesn't take me long. Uh, that was 8. Skip 2. And now I need to place 37. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, when I finished it is gonna become a video. And it's not gonna be the original game, it's gonna be a smaller version of the original. That's at 10, so okay, I'm gonna keep a track of that. But the problem was the original game is so huge, and the the sprites were a 16 by 16 area, so mine are going to be 4 times smaller. But I mean, this is what it looks like so far, and it's a nice, smooth, and seamless screen. It's so very smooth and seamless if I get myself some comparators. I just need to set this up really quickly. And with the flick of my lever, he's now on 2 blocks at once. Ta-da! So that's the main point of why this is cool. That right there is going to be the main point. Well, I'm aiming to make it faster than I did last time. Last time it took a minute per frame. I'm hoping this time to get it maybe to 15 seconds. Or at least 30 seconds, 15 seconds per frame is not too bad considering I don't have the tick speed mods that Java Edition has. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just 1, 17, 18, 9, oh, 19. I guess technically, oh geez, making multiple levels would be really complicated because I also have to check for collision, and having more levels come in through the back, but also having to check for collision would be oh, one heck of a wiring challenge. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many did I need? 37. Right. Without enemies. Yeah. Because if I did add enemies, take the size of that and double it, maybe even triple it. 22. Okay. Actually, would I have to? I think I might have to. Enemies. Let's see. If I made it so the enemies couldn't jump, I could keep them on the same horizontal level. I just have to keep their offset, offset, move, move, offset. Collision would suck. Collision would suck. Enemies would still be a chore. But I guess they're not as bad as I thought they would be. But they would still suck so bad I don't want to add them. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Give me. No. The shell physics wouldn't add any complexity. It's the fact that Mario can be on offset blocks, and the enemies can be on offset blocks, and the offset plus the offset makes it mega cringe. You'd have overlaying offsets that it would be hard to tell what is where and what overlaps with what at what point. The hardest part is displaying the enemies and moving the enemies. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37. Okay. Yep, you're right. So that's 37. Skip 2, and now 25. Great. 5. Oh, wait, no. You're right. The Koopa shell code would cause even more issues because it'd have to collide with other enemies. Oh, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. The enemies can be offset from each other. Oh, that's painful. So take that and double it in size every, or no, take that and then you need to duplicate it for every enemy you have. So if you want 4 enemies at once, you need it to be 5 times larger. If you want 1 enemy at once, it needs to be twice as large. That's how painful enemies are to add. 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Uh, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm not doing a certain signal strength at all. I'm actually just doing a binary tile ID. And now I'm at the end, so I have to place a pipe. Okay. I'm kind of going off of a whatever the Mario on the Game Boy. That was one of my main sources of inspiration for the what the ground looks like. So I placed all of these. This is a coin. This is a brick. This is a question mark block. This is a pipe. This is the bottom of a pipe. And this is the unbreakable block. You know, you hit a question mark block and then this comes out or something like this is what replaces it. I will add brick breaking and question mark doing. I will add those things, and I will add coin collecting. I wish I could just use a lamp and a lever, but this redstone line's right here, so it has to be not that. Okay, let's see. That was first one done. Now row 2. Empty, empty, H. Uh, empty, empty, P, which is 2. I will. It's 1-1. There is no warp zone, and there is no flagpole because I ran out of sprites. Okay, that's empty, empty H, empty, empty P, empty, empty P, coin, coin, coin. I can show you what the level looks like. I actually built a diagram. So this is the starting area. This is the part you saw, and it's just going to scroll along, and it's kind of like 1-1, but I modified it because the actual game is really large. Like, stupidly large. It's impressive they fit it on that hardware, you know? I think the original game had this screen can fit like 20 blocks on it at once. Mine's only gonna be able to hold like 8. Oh, underground part? That's basically another level. That would require, oh Jesus. That would require, uh, I would need to store more level data because it need to be a pipe that would specifically, oh great, and then I'd have to, oh geez, and then I'd have to load from a certain point. I'd probably have to just load it into a different 1-1 at that point if I get out of the level, because there's no way I'm salvaging it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that without redesigning everything. Because what I'd probably end up doing is take the warp pipe and then have a second level here where it would be the 1-1 underground. And then after you get out of the warp pipe, since I can only reset to the start of a level, it would have to reset you to like 1-1, but just the end of 1-1. So it'd have to be 3 levels just for one warp zone. So if I add a level system, I could add the warp pipe, but I'd also need to add more level data and a tag that makes it so you can go down a certain pipe. But it would be possible if I add the more levels. Other than that, I feel like it's too difficult to add right now to this current project. I'd have to start completely new. Well, the problem is I can't TP him, considering I can only shift the level one block at a time. I can only shift the Mario by one block at a time, maximum, which would take, it looks like roughly 0.8 seconds. And where is the exit pipe? Assume the level is 92 blocks long. That looks like 20. I wouldn't be willing to wait 70 seconds just to teleport Mario. You would have to wait like 70 seconds to teleport Mario. So if you want to do it in a reasonable amount of time, you'd need to have a second version of 1-1 where you spawn at the end. You can scroll it backwards. Uh, you couldn't do that in the original, but you can in this one. I decided why not be able to scroll it backwards. You can't go back too far, otherwise I'd have to copy and otherwise you see how it's 1,000 blocks long that way. If I made it so you can scroll back endlessly, it would be 1,000 blocks that long that way too. You can only go back like 4 blocks. Let's see. That's coin, coin, coin. And now we need a pipe again. Uh, one doesn't exist. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. People told me earlier about, oh, there's a cool thing. It's like Carpet Mod, but for Bedrock Edition. I tried it. It only lets you slow down the game, which I find to be pretty useless in comparison to speeding up the game. Coin, air, coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Uh, Unbreakable. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. I don't even know. What's your name again? I mean, I feel like even if you did join the world, you'd just like I've crashed people's PlayStations with this world just for them joining. They've joined and then their like game just couldn't handle it. It's wild. That's 1, 2. What is that? 3U, 2E, 3U, 3E. 1, 2, 3, 4U. 1, 2, 3, and 4U, 2E, 3U. Okay, let's see. That's 4U, 2E, 2E. Okay. 1, 2, P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, P. Uh, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2E, C, P. Uh, more villains of bedrock. I don't know. Cepejo. That looks familiar. Okay, if that's down to that's the P, that's the other P. So we can, how many do I have? One, two, three. So you can go back three. So I think I actually built this wrong. How far can you go back? Let's say Mario is here. You can go back one, two, three. Ba balls. Okay. What is this? What's that right there? Voice Dragon 65. Okay, let's see. Next row. 5E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. H. 2, E, P. 3, E, P. 2, E, C. 2, E, C. 32. U2. 1, 2. 2, E, U, 2. 5E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're on your phone. Oh, good luck. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 3U, 2E, 2U. So now I need 3E, H9. Okay. 1, 2, 3E, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9H, which then leads me 2E for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, E, C, and P. Does that line up? That does line up. Boom, boom. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. H. 1, 2, 3, H. Okay. H three H 3E H two. Hmm. What did I do? Oh, 3E2C. 3E2C E B Q B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 E. Then we got B 3E 1, 2, 3. Then we got B 2E Q E Q E Q, right? That's B 2E Q E Q E Q 3E. 1, 2, 3. B 1, 2. Eh, B. What was this? Q E Q E Q 3E, B, 5E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, U, 2E, 2. What? No, 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 no. What was it? 5E, 1U, 2E, U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7E, 2U, 2E, 1U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, we got bricks, 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 question mark block, bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, I told you you'd crash if you joined. A phone was not simply meant to handle this, I swear. That's 3U, 2E, C, P. Oh boy, I'm off by 1. Eh, eh, air, air. Supposed to be 1, 2, 3. Figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is supposed to have bricks, question mark block, bricks, bricks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is supposed to have unbreakable, empty, empty, unbreakable. I just did some counting wrong, I swear. Your game crashed. After 10 seconds. 2U, 2EU, 6, so, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I feel like this is not right. Yeah. You did not cause the miscounting. I don't even know where it happened. So this is that. This is this. So this one's there. What? Hold on. Oh, it's not one of those. Oh boy. 1, 2 should be there. Shouldn't be there. We have regressed so far. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one should be a brick. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. QEQEQ. 1, 2B. Oh no. Uh, let's see. Where was I? Oh, 2B. 3E. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh, BQ, B. Oh no. 1, 2, CC. Seriously, I miscounted here. Here. Okay. Well, at least this next row is easy. 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Screw counting. P, C, 2E, 2U. Okay, that's all I had to do for that row. Each of these segments is a tile. Yes, that is correct. Very correct. Each segment is a tile. And this is taking a somewhat large amount of time. Wait a minute. Hold that thought. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, three. Okay. Oh, I will have it where if you hold the jump button, you jump higher. I will add that. Core. Okay, so far so good. So I just did 5. Okay. Oh, well, then we're fine. I didn't do anything wrong. Good, good, good. Yep, I'm gonna add a run button. If you hold the jump button, you're gonna jump higher. Uh, if you hit your head on a question mark block, it's gonna change. If you hit your head on bricks, they're gonna break. If you fall into the void, you're gonna die. All sorts of things. Okay, this next one's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 50 coin. Coin. Well, I mean, to be fair, I'm not creating the original one completely, but kind of just kind of just making my own version, I guess, because this is so severely limited in performance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No enemies. There are no sub areas. It's just my own version, I guess. Holding jump will slow your fall. Huh. Yeah. Will it? No, it won't. Might it? No, actually, it might. I can't remember how I plan on implementing jumping. Okay, 52E, C2E, C8E, C2E, C2, 21. 20, E, U, U, 2E, C, P. Yeah, baby. This is going by way faster than I thought it would have. Hmm. Um, okay, so I'll make it so if you jump, if you hold the jump button, it won't make you fall slower. It'll just make you jump higher. One, two, mm, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, C, C, no, V, 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 B, 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 2E, 2, 2B, Well, I mean, it's not that it'll cut down on building time to make it so if you hold the jump button, it'll fall slower. There's like an order of magnitude sort of thing. Build, Building all of this takes way longer than it does to do the physics, the jumping physics and whatnot. So that was just 2E. Wait, no, no, no. What did I do? 4B, 2E, uh, B. Oh, wait, no, 2E, 2B, Q. I mean, all that's falling slower is just making gravity less when you're holding the jump button. That would be trivially easy to add, but I just don't want to. Okay, 8E. 8E. C. 2. Wait, no. 2BQ, 8E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6E. B3. 1, 2, 3. K3B, 3E, 2, 3. Appears to be 2C. 10E2C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10E 2C. 10E 2C 24. There's not mushrooms. That falls into the same category as enemies. Adding a mushroom would double the size of the machine. Plus it would double the size of the Mario side of the machine. So it would, no, it wouldn't double, it would triple the size of the Mario section of the machine. That would be crazy. Okay. 2C. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, C, P, and something went wrong. Great. Mushrooms can be offset from Mario and each other, and it would be crazy to add that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. I mean, those look right. Yeah, no, That should just be right. Okay. Well, I think if I were to add mushrooms, I would want them to move with an offset, which would, double the size of the machine. If I didn't, I think I might have to get rid of one of these in order to make this work within the same speed and size. Something would have to go to add mushrooms, and I don't think I want to do that right now. And adding mushrooms, this right here is storing Mario. I'd have to, make it larger, like triple its size. But it wouldn't be impossible. Oh, and that would complicate collisions too. That would also suck. Practicality standpoint, I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Reset. Let's move right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Load. That's just fantastic. Just play as the mushroom. That's funny. Eh, what happened? Okay, well, reset. Wait 2 seconds. I'm trying to see if the level is going to load. Okay, great. Over 1. Load. Fantastic. Over 1. Oop. Load. Uh, I feel like it's missing something. Two E. No. This one. Shifted over like 3 times. What's your problem? It was here. 1, 2, 3. It's gone. Why you no work? The random barriers are in the air. Every time, oh, I can show you actually. Do you see all these daylight sensors? Well, above every single daylight sensor, I have placed a barrier block. So, I'm not going to build over them accidentally anymore. Just to make sure I don't cover the barrier blocks by accident, only intentionally. So I can't pass any wires through here because barriers, or if I do, I have to use glass. But the barrier blocks are a great reminder. Reset, shift over 1. Please work. It didn't. Or am I stupid? Well, if I use structure voids, I wouldn't be able to see them, would I? Slash give at s structure void. Oh my goodness. That would be so confusing. What? I'm just trying to build and then all of a sudden it stops. I'm gonna think my game's lagging. I'm not gonna realize it's structure voids. Because like when I hit a barrier, it at least gives me a box saying no. You would call me out if I was stupid? Okay. Let's see. Reset. Uh, barrels. No! You've got to be kidding me. Uh, This is why we test things out. Ain't no way I was just placing empty barrels. Gosh. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. How did I only make that mistake for one row? Reset. 1, 2, shift. 1, 2, shift. 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Uh, Run to the screen. Nice. Let's actually put Mario up to 5. Jump frame. Update. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what are we looking like? All right. That's looking better already. One, two, two, one, two, three, one, two, four, one, two, five, one, two, six, one, two, seven, one, two, eight, two, three, four. Yo! Uh, no, you saw those barrels I just placed? That that just resets the level. It brings me back to the start. So if I wanted to teleport, I would need either a new level or I would just need a new level. I would need a new level. One, two, one, two, two, one, two, three, one, two, four, one, two, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8. If I wanted the teleportation to work like the level reset, I'd need, new level data. So it would basically just be like adding a new level. I'm not saying it's a bad idea, I'm just saying I'm not adding that right now. Holy, it's working. One, two, one, one, two, two, one, two, three, one, two, four, one, two, five, one, two, six, one, two, seven, one, two, eight, three, four, go. That's epic. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, um, what the reset does is, okay, if I can put it simply, uh, re memory looks like this, and the memory can, if there's memory here, if I shift to the left, it will go, it would go like this way. And if I shift the other way, it goes back over here. But what the reset lever does is it takes that barrel information, it erases whatever was here, and then puts whatever was in the barrel there. So it doesn't. Mario never technically moves. The entire level moves under him, and the reset lever sets the level back to its default state, and its default state is where it's at the beginning of the level. So, in order to get Mario to stand on here if he's over there, we'd have to reset the level and then shift it over like 70 times. Or, alternatively, if I just had more level data, this would be the sub area, this would be that. If I had some way to pick what to read from, if I had some way to pick what to read from, I could just have Mario at the start of the level, Mario in the sub area, Mario at the exiting the sub area. So if I had more level data, more barrels to read from, I would be able to have the teleportation. Otherwise, I'd have to wait 70 seconds for it to shift over. And right now, I'd say that the barrels are in a pretty inconvenient spot to have more of them. So, if I wanted to add more levels, I would move this over here, and I'd have to find some other way to do collision detection, because that's what this line is for collision detection, this line is for collision detection, so I'd have to somehow fit more levels, level selection, level loading. Yeah. I mean, if I'm gonna add teleportation, I'm gonna add more levels. It would be using the same mechanic. I see no reason not to, you know, just go above and beyond. If I were to add the sub areas and teleportation, I would also be adding more levels just by accident, or just by having the same mechanics. Speaking of, so that's why no sub area and no, yeah, I'd have to add more levels. I could do that, but I feel like I would have to redesign a lot for that. Because if I want more levels, I need more tiles, which means more of this, which means I'd have to redesign that. Because this is, if it has any more than 7, it wouldn't be fast enough to hit the double ROM trigger that I have set to make this run in a reasonable amount of time. The level moves and not Mario, but if Mario is moving and this. Okay, wait. So if the level moves and not Mario, if it was Mario that was moving, then the screen would have to move too. Yeah, I would not want a moving screen. Anyways, how are we on our level? Okay, looks good. Now I'm just gonna shift it over more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. Okay. Looking good. Still looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. If I were to make another version, it would be like the third time I made Mario. Oops. But I guess if I were to make it again, I would definitely try to add mushrooms, enemies, extra levels. But this one is already a huge improvement over the. Oh my god, it works! This one's already a huge improvement over the last one. Because what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. Wait. Hold on. So this would be 8 times 7, which is 56, times 2, which is, okay, so 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So this is how big the screen is, and that's how wide the screen used to be in the old version. You know what? I have the world. I might as well just show it. Yeah, this is how big the old one was. This feels big. The other one feels small somehow. But this is how the level looks on this one. The level wraps around and then goes back and forth a few times. So adding extra levels to this version would have been impossible, but this is how big it is. This is the collision logic. This is the jumping and physics and the input. I need to work on that still. And it uses no daylight sensors, so it's mega slow. Mega slow. Well, okay, I there's 7 horizontally in both versions. I just call it 8 because you can have half a block here and then 6 full blocks and then half a block there. So you're seeing 8 separate blocks. It's just in the span of 7 blocks. Man, this disgusts me. This took 60 seconds per frame. 60 seconds per frame. This is gross. This is nasty. Yeah. So crazy to think that this one is small by comparison. Check that out. It's small by comparison. And yeah, the main reason it's smaller is this pixel is a 2 by 2, where on the other version it was a 3 by 3. And that was because I didn't know about how good daylight sensors are. This is the circuit that allows for the offset. By powering these daylight sensors and then those daylight sensors in a certain amount of time, you can have some great results. Like, so if I were to Yeah, it's a day-only machine, but since when does that matter? Okay, so that was shifted 3. So this is how the shifting works. So that's no shift. And then let's say Mario moves by 1. Boom. And this is smaller than my previous design. And I did not design this, but it basically does the shift and then memorizes it, and that's the sub block offset. That's shifting. You can see that right here. The shifting right here. Yes. Yeah, it's creative only. If anyone builds this on survival mode, gotta do the extra level system. Ha. Why did I do that? Okay, well, nothing should change. And if something changes, then everything gone horribly wrong. Uh-oh. Nope. Oh, shoot. I forgot. Hold on. Is this good? I need to make sure my instant wire is ready. These are not. If anyone builds this in survival mode, I swear you need like a $100 compensation minimum. Yikes. That would be painful. This is 1,000 blocks long. This is genuinely 1,000 blocks long. If you try building this in survival, I hope a creeper blows up your build and you lose all motivation to waste your life building this in survival. It would be for the best for you. Petition! Dude. Do you know how crazy you'd have to be to build this in survival mode? I wouldn't even want to build this in creative mode. I'm gonna be real with you. I wouldn't want to build this by hand in creative mode. The only way I'm building this is with the clone command and structure blocks. You see how this piston is like jutting out and then this piston is jutting out? You see all these pistons jutting out? Just this top row of pistons jutting out took me an hour to place manually. I didn't even place all of that manually. Oh no. Like 1 hour for that, 1 hour for this, 1 hour for that in creative mode. Doing it in survival mode, I wish you the best. But if you are building it, if you are building it in survival mode, you don't actually need lecterns here. You just need anything that gives off a comparator signal and can be pushed by a piston. If you wanted, you could just put a barrel with one item and then it would work just as fine. You don't need copper bulbs. I just use them because they give off a signal strength of 15 and I don't have to shove them full of items. Save yourself some copper. You don't need that many copper bulbs. You don't need all 3,500, which, by the way, 7,000 pistons here. That would be a pain. That would be a horrible, horrible pain. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh goodness, the amount of stone you'd have to the amount of stone you'd have to smelt. You would be there for years. Yeah, well, it's Bedrock Edition only. It's only Bedrock Edition that you can read through pistons. And it's only Bedrock Edition that daylight sensors are this good. I'm not talking about smooth stone. I'm talking about every repeater needs 3 stone. You need to smelt the cobblestone into stone, unless you use a fortune picket, or unless you use a silk touch pickaxe. But even then, I got bad news for you. I use a few repeaters. The amount of smelting you'd have to do to get all of these repeaters. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this comparator reading through a piston, that's bedrock only. This daylight sensor under this piston, bedrock only. Daylight sensor under daylight sensor, bedrock only, basically. What else? This design of instant wire is bedrock only, but that's fine because Java has their own. Uh, I guess the activation mechanism would have to be slightly different on Java Edition, but I don't know. If you're building this on Bedrock Edition, you'd be fine. If you're building on Java, you'd have to change the design. Oh, right. More shifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I don't know. There's weird exceptions to that rule on Bedrock Edition. That's crazy. This is working way better than I thought it was going to. Man, I let all those Java Edition propaganda get to my head. Bedrock Edition is not as unreliable as you might think. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's only one thing about Bedrock Edition that I think is unreliable, and that's dispensers. And the thing that's unreliable about dispensers is the fact that I power them all at the same time. And there's sometimes when one will be just slightly slower than the other. It's not happening right now, thank goodness, but it has happened before. Maybe this is a better example. Nope, never mind. Oh, right here, maybe. No, I guess on the small scale, it's fine. I guess when I tried putting dispensers up there, it did not work. One would always be slower than the others, and then and then I've had observers here with the observers. Oh yeah, observers also suck. Observers and dispensers, but everything else is fine. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Right. And that's the end of the level. What? Okay, of course. This is why I check things. Coin, pipe, no. Okay, fantastic. Now, even though I updated the level, if I render out the screen again, it's not going to change anything because I have to do the other thing. Ah. Okay. I'm going to try shifting the other way. One, two, three, render. Uh, huh. I think I did things a little too fast. What? How? How is it doing that? How is it even doing that? How is that possible? It's the Super Mario Stripe Lands. Uh, that shouldn't be possible. What's even causing that? Why? Why is it doing this? Mario Stripe Lands. It's every other block. Uh, hello. Yes. Stripe Lands. That should not be possible. Why is that happening? Huh? Uh, okay, you're good. That's, that's, what just happened? Tator. E... Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. Why is it always gotta be this stuff, dude? You were working just fine. Oh boy. Uh, huh. Well, that's weird. Found the problem. Reset. Wait 2. Shift right. Wait 2, 3, 4. Render. And let's see what happens. Maybe I just flicked shift right too fast. Maybe I just flicked it too fast. Cause wait, shift right. Uh aha. I caught you. Why was that? Yeah, okay, so I shifted left before. Now I shift right. Shift right, no work. Why? Cause I'm dumb. Shift right, no work. Why? Cause I'm dumb. Got it. Well, I just fixed it, so we're fine. I don't need to remove the ability to walk to the left anymore. I mean, yeah, to the left. Yeah, I don't need to remove the ability to walk to the left. I just need to fix this. No, I fixed this earlier, but I only fixed it on the bottom row. I found it earlier and it only oh, I forgot to fix it for everything else. This was completely That was completely my fault. So that should be the last of it. Right? No. No, it wasn't. Right? No, it wasn't. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Should be good to go now. Reset. Wait 2 seconds. Shift right. Wait 4 seconds. Render. That was the wrong direction. I didn't want Mario to move right. I wanted the level to move right. No, wait. That was shift. Whatever. Correct lever. Uh, Go gadget lever pull. Okay. Yep. That's it. We're good. So that's all of the level done. I think I'm gonna work on the next easiest thing, and that's a variable time delay. So let's remove 2 repeaters from here to give me some working space. I need a variable time delay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now that should be 1 tick, 2 ticks. Okay. Very well. Sticky piston up in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want a red coater, of which it will be fine to be right there. Because, yeah. That will become pretty clear as soon as I finish it. But it's the sub-tile offset. That's its purpose. So, redstone, nope. Fucking quill. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. Sign as stone. Dated. Sign it close. Okay. So this is going to be no offset. Perfect. Then we change it to 1 offset. Also gonna boom, boom. No. Boom, boom, bam. That lever. Torch here. Oh, yeah, that's 1 offset. I guess technically we're running the other direction. 2 offset. Flick, flick, flick. Oh, yeah. It's working. Flick, flick. 4. Activate. Activate. Oh, look at him go. He's walking. I Oh, he's walking. Oh my goodness. Check him out. Flick, flick. 5. There. Torch. Yep. That's the point of a variable time delay. 7 offset. Boom. Bam. 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 Oh, yes. And now, move him even further. Let's go down to 3. Mario moved to the left. Wait for there. Flick, flick. Bam. And he's still moving. Check it out. I'm gonna need another variable time delay. 1, 2, 3, 4. But oh, there he goes. Mario knows how to walk. Boom, boom, bam. Okay. Gonna have to restructure this to sync the timings. See if that works. It does. Great. So that means we can, let's see, what does that mean? It means I can take this and hook it up to this. Oh, that sucks. Okay, variable time delay, hook it up to this. So we just added more delay. So we need 3 now. I feel like I have made a mistake. But where? Add 1 tick, add another tick to there. And we should be good. Perfect. Variable time delay, but I'm starting to think I don't actually need this. And instead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because of that, I can actually probably get rid of some things. Yes. Failure. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Huh? Eh. I mean, I have nothing to say. Let's see. Mario, please. Please show up. Where did Mario go? It's 30 past midnight. Okay, yep. Well, now I don't blame myself for making you fall asleep. That sounds like it's entirely your fault. Come on, Mario. Yeah, that is definitely. That's too fast. No, it's not. Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay. I need to hit that Variable time delay. This. S- Sounds good to me. 4, 5. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Completely. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see. Yeah. Touch. I mean, I don't know. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about you tell me when you're asleep and then I'll wake you up. You just have to type that you're asleep and then I'll wake you up. Yep. So as soon as you fall asleep, just send a message and I'll wake you up. That's so stupid. Oh yeah, and you might be asleep, so you won't be able to. That's so funny. Good. Now this should be good. Yeah, baby. That is that is correct. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Huh. Oh, that sucks. What now? Ah, the answer is pistons, as it usually is. No, maybe. If that doesn't solve it, more pistons. The problem is I can't build this thing here because it would intersect with the wires here, and it would all so it would be too low, so I have to make a modified design. This is enough. That's enough pistons. No, wait. That one has to be a piston. So, yeah. Yeah, that does it. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. That's fine. And go up by 8? No. Oh, that works. And change it by 1. Did that change by 1? Oh. Oh, what do you know? The hell? That's fine. Increase the number by... Oh! I didn't know lecterns did that. Yeah! Wait, did I invert this? That's supposed to be the other way around. I know, what is this? 0. No, 7. 7 is no shift. That's weird. Perfect. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That would be the laziest mushroom power-up ever. Just 2 Marios on top of each other. Seven. Perfect. That means if I set it to 0, idle animation, flick the lever. Yes, that is what was supposed to happen. That's just not what I meant to do. I got both of the variable time things. I have both of the variable time delays done, which is incredible. So, okay, I need a sign. Sign. So this is X fine. X fine, Y fine. But you can't see the PC temp? Why didn't anybody tell me? That's so sad. Uh... Oh, that's hot. That's hot. You know, it's only like 85 Celsius. Okay, what's the next part that I have to do? I have the X find position, Y find position. Oh, great. I'm gonna have to do X. No, I don't need to do X course, but I do need to get a Y course variable. I need an X velocity, Y velocity. X velocity, Y velocity, X velocity, we could just use. Ooh, how fast would it addition be? How fast is it? Could I get a calculator? Because if I can't get a fast enough calculator, I'm gonna use hexadecimal. Because hexadecimal is best to decimal. My PC will cause the heat death of the universe slowly. Hexadecimal would be, I would have 16 numbers to work with. If one of them's 0, I could do a -8 maybe in there. So move forward 7, -8. I'd need to add or subtract by x velocity to the position, but no, the velocity. No, that's fine. That's fine. What am I worried about? That's fine. Nah, we'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Where do I want to put this? Hexadecimal. Hmm. Okay, that's subtract. That's subtract. And now I need to add. Yeah. Right. Now I just need to, yeah, there we go. This is add. Add 0. Thank you. Add 1. Add 1. Subtract. Subtract 1. Subtract 1. Why did that not work? That's why it didn't work. Wait, what? Why didn't it work? Uh, oh, that's why. Add, add. Okay. Add one. Nope. No, 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 nope, nope. I changed my mind. Don't do that. All right. Would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need a signal strength of 7. Dang it. Yeah, dang it, Bobby. That's annoying. Okay, so that's 0. Oh. How long has it been? Oh, Jesus. 7 hours. No. Okay, so that's 7. Nice. 0. Reset. Dust. Yikes. Say that there. Now we need a lectern again. And this one goes there. Add. Add. Subtract. 5, 6, 7. Okay, add, subtract, this, that. We're fine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Upper glass. Cauldron. Okay, it only it only works at noon. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm fine. I'm on a creative world. I don't want this to work in survival mode. Daylight detectors are awesome, and I do not care. Seriously. By the way, how do you like the new design for this? Much better? What do you think? I think it looks much better. So that's here. Good, 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 good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, got that connected. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, now that's too close. Well, that's just great. Two, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. Okay, x velocity, y velocity, viscosity. Why isn't this working? Oh, that's why it's not working. That's perfect. Uh, okay, we got those synced up. Oh, except for this one. You're fine. Okay, that's there. That's there. So this -7. So invert +7? No. I actually haven't thought about this much. Huh. What am I gonna do? If it's... I actually don't know what to do now. Velocity, velocity. Uh, when it comes to y velocity, subtract 1, add whatever. Oh gosh. I need to think. It's plus. Let's see. Wait, what? Okay, well, it appears I have forgotten what I was doing. But I have velocity. I'm going to need to find a way to do position, both coarse and fine. But that is great. I will probably sleep on this predicament. What do I do? Shoot. Yeah, it's been good enough. Got a lot done. Level shifting. Great. Yeah, I don't know. I just gotta figure out the position. I think that's enough for today. I'm going to go eat dinner.